rocking the whole day but go nowhere. That's actually how tension has been described. You rock on a rocking chair, you rock the whole day but you go nowhere. So when you are on your bike or on your car, anywhere, गाते रहिए. और प्रैक्टिकल बता रहा हूं आपको मैं. You may be in service or business. People who are doing this, they say that their productivity has improved. बिजनेसमैन ने कहा है कि हम जो 8 घंटे में काम करते थे वो हमारा 5 घंटे में हो जाता है. जब कस्टमर हमारे सामने आता है, हम बात करते हैं, तो वी आर मच क्विकर इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट ही एक्चुअली वांट्स, बिकॉज इज ही कम टू वेस्ट आवर टाइम और इज गॉट कुछ निकलेगा इससे, और उसके दिल में क्या चल रहा है वो तक समझ आ जाता है. क्योंकि क्या होता है उस टाइम माइंड क्या है, बिल्कुल पीस पे है. इज जस्ट लाइक वेरी क्लियर वाटर. अगर उसमें उथल पुथल होगी तो आप नीचे नहीं देख सकते, परंतु जैसे ही वो शांत हो जाता है एकदम, तो क्या होता है, नीचे तक का पेबल नजर आता है आपको. इसी तरीके से जब माइंड एकदम शांत होता है तो आपको सब कुछ एकदम क्लियर नजर आएगा. अभी हमारा माइंड शांत है ही नहीं. अभी माइंड शांत नहीं है. अभी बैठे यहां हैं, सोच रहे कुछ है, देख रहे कुछ है, सूंघ रहे कुछ है, खा कुछ रहे हैं, है ना जी. मतलब हमारे जीवन का अशांति इज द की वर्ड टुडे. लुकिंग आउट फॉर पीस. द वर्ल्ड UN is looking out for peace between countries, but the countrymen are at war with themselves. All of us are at war with ourselves. How can we emit peace? When the bulb is fused, how can it give light? It can't give light. तो इसी तरीके से जो हमारे अंदर अशांति है, तो पास पास भी क्या होगा, अशांति होगी. फर्स्ट थिंग हमने बोला था, वी टॉक्ड अबाउट द गोल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड ऑल ऑफ अस एग्रीड दैट द गोल इज वन, एंड दैट इज टू बी हैप्पी. यू वांट एनीथिंग इन लाइफ, एनी डिजायर टू बी फुलफिल्ड, एनी पोजीशन टू बी अटेन्ड, एनीथिंग इन योर लाइफ, एक्चुअली व्हाट यू वांट दैट फॉर टू बी हैप्पी, बिकॉज दैट यू feel that gives you satisfaction, and satisfaction is actually nothing but a synonym of happiness. Till you are not satisfied, you can't be happy. And all of us have one goal in life, and that is to be happy. तो गोल हम सबका एक था, ये हमने डिसाइड कर, कल हमारा बिल्कुल क्लियर हो गया था. तो गोल दो है नहीं. दूसरा पॉइंट आया था कि हैप्पीनेस का कारण क्या है, व्हाट गिव्स हैप्पीनेस. तो हम इस बात पे आए थे कि नॉलेज इज द कॉज ऑफ हैप्पीनेस एंड इग्नोरेंस इज द कॉज ऑफ सफरिंग. क्लियर हो गया था. सो अटेनमेंट कैसे होगी, अटेन गोल बाय नॉलेज. ठीक है जी, क्लियर. थर्ड पॉइंट हमने क्या रेज किया था कि इन द लास्ट 100-200 years नॉलेज इज इंक्रीज्ड और नॉट. सो वन थिंग वाज दैट एवरी वन ऑफ अस एग्री टू दैट पर्टिकुलर इस पॉइंट पे कि नॉलेज हैज इंक्रीज्ड, बट हम साथ में क्या हुआ था कि साथ साथ सफरिंग हैज इंक्रीज्ड. In the form of tension, reminded physical suffering is less painful than mental suffering. And today, physical suffering may have gone down, but mental suffering has increased many-fold. And that has resulted in what? Physical suffering also, because 90% of the diseases are psychosomatic. तो इस बात पे भी हमने एग्री किया था कि नॉलेज पिछले 200 सालों के अंदर बहुत बढ़ी है. और मैंने आपको बताया था फैसिलिटीज हैव इंक्रीज्ड बट नॉट हैप्पीनेस. सुविधा का मतलब होता है फैसिलिटीज. सो देन वी केम टू अ कंक्लूजन दैट दिस नॉलेज में कुछ गड़बड़ है. या तो ये नॉलेज नहीं है या इस नॉलेज में किसी चीज की कमी है. तो वी डिडक्टेड दैट ये नॉलेज नहीं है, दिस इज रॉन्ग, दिस इज नॉलेज, बट this knowledge has got something missing, and that missing thing has to be also knowledge, because knowledge only can give happiness. So the missing link to happiness also has to be knowledge. Now what is that knowledge which is missing? And we discussed on this particular point that knowledge is so important, so very important, that without that knowledge, this knowledge is actually a failure. Today's all knowledge is a failure without that particular knowledge. Now what was that knowledge? We asked you 3 questions. Living man and a dead, living body and a dead body, which is more important? You all agreed that living body is more important than dead body. Then we talked about living body and dead body. What is common in both? Body was common in both. Third question which we raised was this, that why is living body more important than dead body? Living body has got life. That means life is more important than body. And we asked you a question that if a person is giving all of his time or most of his time for less important thing, is he in ignorance or is he in knowledge? And you agreed he is in ignorance. And a person who is in ignorance will not be happy, will be unhappy. And we also agreed to this point that today all our advancement, all our time is given for understanding the body. So that means we are giving time for less important thing, so we are, all of us are unhappy. There is not a single school, not a single college, not a single minute we give in our life to understand what is life, which is the most important aspect of our being. And that study of life is known as spiritualism. That study of life is known as spiritualism. In Sanskrit is known as Adhyatmik. Adhyatmik Gyan. तो ये बात पे हम कल हमने किया था, knowledge, attain knowledge. What knowledge? Knowledge of life. And I talked to you about that religion and spirituality are 2 different things. Religion deals with the body and spirituality deals with life. Bodily we may be different in different so-called faiths. If you go to the Oxford Dictionary, it states religion is faith, but spiritualism is fact. Spiritualism is fact and religion is faith. Faith can be changed, facts cannot be changed. Spiritualism, life does not change in different people of different faiths, right? किसी का भी faith हो, कुछ भी faith हो. Me and my wife were in Italy and we were walking down a canal. तो ऐसी कुछ बेच रहा था, कुछ तो उससे पूछने लगे क्या कर रहा, तो हम लोग chanting कर रहे थे और we were walking down. तो उसने पूछा कि भाई क्या कर रहे हो आप? He said, what are you doing? So, I'm taking the names of God. Oh, taking the names of God. So इसने पूछा, what's your religion? इसने पूछा, where are you from? In India. Oh, people from India know a lot about God. मतलब वहाँ बैठा हुआ कभी जिंदगी बाहर नहीं गया होगा. Must not be very literate also. He says, people from India know a lot about God. So उसने कहा, yes, what is your religion? He says, I'm an atheist. See, he said, my religion is that I am a atheist. Religion means faith. I have faith that there is no God. Please, religion does not mean you believe in God. Religion is a kind of faith. It is a kind of faith. But he was living, he had life. That means spiritualism was there. Spiritualism was there. He believed in God or did not believe in God, did not matter, because that is a matter of faith which can be changed. You can be made from an atheist to a theist to an atheist, to agnostic. यार पता नहीं. Agnostic क्या है? You are atheist, theist. Most of the people are agnostics. They are not basically theist or atheist. Very difficult to find an atheist. Very difficult to find a theist also. Most of the people are agnostics. हाँ यार है मंदिर के डर के कारण. Why do you go to the temple? कि कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो जाए, है ना? That's the it's not a faith that there is some supreme being. No. So most of us are agnostics. So this is not a matter of faith. Spiritualism is a matter of fact. We're going to talk to you about fact. Now try to understand one thing. मैं कुछ words आपके सामने रखूंगा, because when I'm going to talk, as I told you, we're going to talk of science of life, which is also known as spiritualism. And yesterday I talked to you about spirituality, and I told you spirit and rituality. You remove spirit from spirituality, it remains rituality, and rituality is all useless. Till the spirit is not behind the rituality, then why that is formed? Why are you doing a particular process? Like for example, for a person coming from the village who has never been to the town, he comes on a crossing and he sees a red light and a green light. He says people, वो देखता अरे बड़ा लाइट क्या लाइट जल रही है, दिवाली मनाते हैं ये रोज. He will think like that. गाड़ी रुकती है जाती है रुकती है जाती है, बोलते नहीं क्या खेल कर रखा है इन्होंने, क्यों रुकते हैं और क्यों जाते हैं. For him it is a ritual because he did not understand the spirit behind the process. When you don't understand the spirit behind the process, why the process has been performed, it is a ritual. And most of us actually are into rituals. But we should not be into rituals, we should be into spiritual. We should know the spirit behind it. Why are we doing it? Why should we do it? So now I'll take a few words before we start on this. That first word which everyone, because I am preaching in IITs also, पहली चीज proof. एकदम पहली चीज आते हैं proof. What do you mean by proof?